where the underpass is under construction. So is a terminal, is a transition zone towards construction. There is a barricading, but the visibility is poor. There is no proper reflective stickers placed on it. The road the construction zone is very poorly maintained. So the barricading we can see right side, the height is less, so people can see what is going on in the construction zone. So that is not allowed. So we need to improve the construction zone barricadings. Can take this portion as a part of construction zone in your audit. So there is some good fire service buses. Okay. So we are now in the construction zone. Ready to barricading. This is as a part of construction zone. Very poor maintenance. Let's see the barricading visibility. So now the construction zone is about to finish. Yes. Terminal